Okay guys, let's check out our room. There's the pool areas right there for the families. And the lobby is literally a 1-minute walk that way and then to the right. And then we usually go down there, cut through the lobby, and then there's restaurants in there as well. I'll show you that soon. And then we usually come out over here, and then we walk this way, and then head to the beach, and then we go left, and we go to the adult area. Okay. So we are in 215. And now this is your key entry right here. Right there. And you're in. Beautiful rooms, guys. And this is just a standard suite as far as I know. I don't think Jen paid any extra. We got a safe. The light there comes on automatically. It's motion activated, as you just saw. Ba-boom. Then we got a beautiful bathroom. Now they've been giving us fresh towels every day, and I've been hanging mine up, but they still give us fresh ones. But I've been reusing mine at least twice. So, beautiful sinks, guys. Check that out. Nice big massive mirror. And this is kind of unique. I've never seen this before. So you can close that up, and boom, you can look in on your wife sleeping, or the children playing, misbehaving. So that one opens up, this one opens up, and this one opens up. And like most hotels, you got all your amenities. And I'll tell you, this shower has some awesome pressure. I love this shower. After living in Mexico for over a year, and almost every place we've had has been gravity fed, I'm enjoying this full force shower, I'll tell you. And then you got a nice mirror here that lights up. Boom, chakalaka. And you got a hair dryer down there. Lots of storage space, as you see. And all the amenities that you would normally find at a hotel, and a little bit extra. As you can see, we're at the Hard Rock Hotel. Beautiful flat screen TV. Check out these chairs, guys. Wow. Beautiful. Well, we just stopped and grabbed a quick snack. Beautiful chair here. King size bed. End tables on both sides. Nice lighting. And you can turn your lights off from bed. The switches are right there on this side. Controls these lights. So no need to get out of bed. And I don't know if you can really see on the comforter here, but there's little guitars all through here. Just like on the pillow there, it's got the guitar. But these ones are really hard to make out with the camera, and sure, they're hard to make out with the naked eye. Maybe you can see it there in the light there. Kind of see little guitars. Kind of cool. Beautiful bench seat. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And a beautiful jet tub that we've yet to use yet. Maybe tonight we'll hop in. And the one thing that I absolutely love is the Nespresso machine, guys. It comes with a Nespresso machine, and they loaded us up with coffee today. So we tip every time. We leave 50 pesos every day on the pillow for the chambermaid. And normally we would tip as well in the bar fridge. And I haven't been, because we haven't really been drinking anything. I think I had 2 beers since we've been here out of it. So today we tipped the bar fridge. I put 20 pesos in there, and all of a sudden the coffee is loaded. So normally we were only getting 4. I think yesterday they gave us 5. Well, today it's loaded. So we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then this was extra today. We never got no chips before. We never got no Oreo cookies before. So they gave us those extra, and all probably because I put 20 pesos inside the mini bar fridge. And voila, they also gave us extra Gatorade. We never got these before either. So the bottom shelf is what the beer fridge has been coming with. 2 Pepsis, 2 Diet Pepsis, 2 7-Up, 2 beer, and 2 Canada Dry. And then today we got the energy drinks, or Gatorade I should say, along with the little bags of chips and the little Oreo cookies and the extra coffee. So, and we are thoroughly enjoying the Nespresso in the morning. It is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So that's it, my friends. Highly recommend the Hard Rock Resort in Maya Riviera. And obviously you're allowed to smoke out here for all you people that smoke. A lot of places don't allow that, but apparently they do here because they give you an ashtray. So, and this is our view. And there's the ocean right there. And the beautiful water slide, I should say. Now that's all brand new, the water slide and play area for the children. And of course you got a hammock out here. Wouldn't be Mexico without a hammock. And the AC does go off automatically when you open that door and leave it open. So no fear of that. So that's it, my friends. The beautiful suite at the Hard Rock Hotel in Maya Riviera, Mexico. And obviously there is going to be nicer rooms if you want to pay for them. No doubt about that. Come on down, don't be shy. Bring the family. This place is really geared towards families, as well as adults only. I would say more so for the families though. Okay, we're gonna go enjoy our snacks before they get cold. Peace out.